What this program is designed is to be a condensed program. So what happens is we take them in, we can give them the OSHA 10, which is required on most construction sites, and then we will get them the NCCR certifications in the plumbing that they're going into. That plumbing certification gives them an opportunity internationally to go anywhere they want to, and they know that they've got the skills for that trade.
We've learned basic safety principles, the math aspects, both in regular construction and more specifically plumbing. We've also learned how to work with various types of pipe like PVC, copper, cast iron, steel. So it's been very comprehensive so far.
I think my favorite part is the fact that this is condensed in 4 weeks. So if you were to take a regular plumbing course, you would need to do it maybe over a span of a year or two, but this one is condensed into 4 weeks, and half of the time you're actually doing real work. So it's not just book work all the time. It's been fantastic. Like with our instructors, they have a lot of experience, and basically if you have any question about construction, they're always able to answer it. And also with my peers, it's been great, like working in a team, working on projects together, and basically just collaborating on the different topics that we would cover.